Alright guys, so we are at Fort Lauderdale Airport right now, and it is currently 1:48, and really and truly we're supposed to be in our hotel, but some mix up. I'll probably give you guys that story time, but we're here, me and my mother, Fort Coco. I'm going to take a nap. I haven't slept since 3 a.m. yesterday, but we'll see what happens on the adventure of Sereni and Dean. And Sharice on the phone. The adventures of the Three Musketeers. Bye, guys. Hey guys, we are back. I'm sitting in like the same position from the last video, but really and truly this is a different intro. It is, you would say this is day 2 of us in Fort Lauderdale?
2.5, 3?
Yeah, it's around like day 2. Like the first, we came here the 31st. That's a whole different story time. And then yesterday, which was our first full day, yesterday, like, we just really relaxed and slept in. And now today we are going on the road. My mom is going to meet her brother, and I'm gonna meet my uncle. I'm meeting my uncle for the first time, and I'm very excited on this journey, and I'll be taking you guys along. So day 2 of it. Let's go. Mommy, you have anything you want to say? You have anything you want to say? Hold on. What do you have to say?
Hi guys! Like, share, and subscribe.
You heard her.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Black eye should love her.
I'm gonna put it for YouTube.
Okay, so we are in day 3 of staying in Fort Lauderdale for a week. Yesterday was a success. Met my uncle for the first time, and my cousin and her kids, and it was family time and a lot of fun. I really enjoy that. Never get much clips, only got when my mom and my uncle like hugged, but that's just about it. But we're gonna see them tomorrow again, so we'll get more clips there. And today is just gonna be a chill day. Right now we're getting ready to go to Denny's for breakfast, and we'll probably go by the pool today, so you'll see all of that. So yeah, stay tuned. When we are heading to the car, I'll check in back with you guys. So bye. And we're
turn right on Southwest 22nd Terrace. Then turn right.
What you say? Mommy, what you say, Malaga?
Oh, you mean, I say, oh, you have been me. Me say, me wish you could have just drive in the Walmart, turn the car in the Walmart and drive with me. Lord, I miss a drive. Drive in the Walmart and just, you know, honk your hand and make them go away.
Okay guys, so we're still on day 3, and we just came from the pool. I didn't show you guys that, but I'm headed to the gym. I have my Gymshark t-shirt, my Gymshark tights, and I left my sneakers, so we're doing my foam runners. Yeah, so let's go. 4 or 5, I don't know, whatever day that is. And today we are gonna change rooms because this room we can't open the windows, and we've been here for like a whole week, so you know the ventilation not really that good. So we're gonna change rooms, and then we're going back to West Palm Beach to my uncle, and we're gonna go to the beach. So yeah, today should be an eventful day, and we'll take you along with us. This is my fit, like an orange bathing suit, and you know, the overall. So I'm gonna go downstairs and try to make sure that, you know, get our new keys, and I'll be back with you. So this was our room. As you can see, like, you know, no way to open the windows. So that wasn't helpful. So now we're moving to the next room. So we are all packed up and we are going to go to our new room right about now. What is this, Oceanside? So we're at Oceanside Beach, just checking it out to see how it is. Mommy's back there. She's struggling to walk in the sand. Take off my slippers. To take off my shoes. Just real? It is day 5, 6, I don't know at this point, but today I woke up and my mom's on the phone. So if you hear all of that, if you hear any commotion, my mom's on the phone. But today is, I think, day 5, day 6, and I woke up and I ate something, got dressed, went to the gym for about an hour and a half or so, and now I'm getting something to eat. Today is just a pretty chill day. Probably go to the mall again or to a mall.
And you'll get more fit videos from us very soon. Bye. See you later. Swanny, why you not do video of me?
What you say, mommy? Yeah, vlog with the camera off.
No, it didn't look alright for me.
Yeah, but it's off. Yeah.
Yeah, girl. But it tastes good. Tastes good.
It's ready? Yeah, man, Chevy. Yeah.
It's our final day here, and yeah, basically we this morning woke up, had devotion, then I went and go to the gym, had a shower, come back, and now I am here giving you guys start over. Okay guys, so today is our final day here. This morning basically me and my mom, we woke up, we had devotion, I went to the gym, and then after that I hearing you around here, you can't tap it nice. Anyway, so today is our last day here. Basically we woke up this morning, had devotion, I went to the gym, had something to eat, and then I went to the gym, and then I came back. But before that, I had repack my suitcase and stuff, and then I came back, and now I'm here. And today I think we're gonna just go to the pool, then hit Sawgrass Mall. I don't know if that's what it's called, but probably go to that mall and check out a Ross. And yeah, just basically put our stuff together so that tomorrow, because we're leaving tomorrow morning, we can, you know, just return the car and check in and head back to New York. So yeah, basically I'm gonna bring you guys on the journey again, kind of ish, but that's the rundown. I don't know if I have been recording very good, but so let me give you the story time of our first night here in Fort Lauderdale. We left from New York on December 30th, and it was like around 9, and we landed in Fort Lauderdale at around 12 a.m. So we landed the 31st. And you know, we had expected to check into our hotel right after, you know, we landed, but there was some mishap, and we ended up having to sleep in the airport. I probably had put in some of that clip in this vlog, but yeah, we slept in the airport, and on the 31st, the morning of the 31st, and then around 9 a.m. we got the chance to check in, and we checked in to the hotel around like 11-12 there, and we got dressed, basically got a cat nap, got dressed, and then we went to church, and we spent the 31st night and rung in the new year, which was the first at church. And we were tired. We basically got 2 hours of sleep. My mom's intention was to go to church, but that didn't happen. So the first day we accidentally slept all day, because we were supposed to go to church right after coming back. So that didn't happen. So we slept in, and we basically chilled out the first day, and I think that's where I picked up from. Yeah, the second we went to see my uncle. Third, chill day. Yeah, I don't remember the whole cap, but basically that's what happened on this trip. This trip was a very good trip. I really enjoyed it. It was well needed, especially for my mother. She had to relax and rest, and even though I had to, you know, bully her into resting, I'm glad that, you know, she enjoyed it, and the bright side of it, we met family out of it, so that was good. So that's to wrap up this segment. So today I'm going to show you today, and then tomorrow we are headed to the airport. We're going to return the car early and then head to the airport, and then that's it for this vlog. I will check in back with you guys whenever I can, so stay tuned. So my mom and we are going out. She doesn't know what she wants to eat, but I have on my bathing suit under, so I just threw over her shirt, and we're gonna decide in the car what she wants to eat. But for now, I don't know what she wants to eat. Mommy, what you want to eat?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
And she leave it up to me to decide. She better wait. You have the key.
You have the key? You
Yeah.
have the car?
Yeah, the car key.
And the card? The credit slip?
Can I give her the car?
That's it.
I soon come back, guys. Okay guys, so I'm just coming from the pool. Don't mind my background, but I'm just coming from the pool. I am about to hop in the shower and get pre-dressed and then sleep a little bit, and then afterwards we're gonna go out for dinner, and then after dinner that's it for this trip. It's over, sadly. It was really relaxing and fun, but good things, all good things comes with it. It's just that. But yeah, if you have stayed this far, thank you guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and keep watching. Yeah, keep watching. And I'll see you guys when I guess I'm ready for dinner. Yes. Hi. Hi YouTube, I'm all dressed. We're all dressed. We're going for dinner, for our last supper, for our last meal. How are you feeling, mommy?
I'm feeling okay.
Feeling?
Okay.
You look pretty.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so I guess when we're in the car, I'll get back with you guys. But this is our fit. We look quite zapper if you ask me. But yeah, when we're in the car or when we're at the restaurant, I'll get back with you guys. See you soon. Bye.